Hi guys, welcome to the second part of the fitness app project. So in the previous part, we had built a front end where the user enters the whatever workout he has to do, whatever body part, but it was not fetching any exercises. So in this part, we'll be connecting the backend and then it fetches the body part, like the exercises, whatever he has to do. So the backend will receive a body part. It fetches the matching exercises and their GIFs from the exercise DB API. Then it returns a JSON list where we get the output. Simple. Now, here we have to give the rapid API key where the steps to get the API key is mentioned here. I've already done that. So you get that API key from something like here. So you have to copy that. This you can see that and do. Now, after that, we have to first fetch the exercises that we have to post the whatever body part the user has given, and then we have to ask for the exercises. Now, so we are giving the fetching the exercises on exercise DB where the input whatever we'll be giving the header would contain the rapid API key and exercise host. So where it should go and what the API key, that is basically I have the permission to access this, please give me so and so. Now after that we have to fetch the exercises image. So this is basically JSON where exercises are mentioned. Now we have to fetch the exercise image as well, that is a GIF. Now for that we are using this where the resolution and all is mentioned with exercise ID as well. Now again the same thing, the exercise host and the rapid API key. And then we have to convert that into base 64 where it is the output is like this where you can use this particular link with the im0.src and then display it on the website output. Now after that we have to get the exercises. So how do we get exercise is basically we're using again app.get where exercise, the body part is also mentioned that we have to get that particular body part's exercise. Now if there is no body part mentioned, then it says please provide a body part query. Now, if there is a body part, then it tries to match us with the backend. And then when you get that body part, it says it takes an empty array exercises and then it takes only the first 5 exercises. Because you can't display everything. It takes the first 5 and whatever is mentioned as first is the GIF and then name, body part, equipment followed by the GIF. So these things are mentioned. Now, we have to convert that into JSON, and if there is any error, then it shows the error. Now, let me run the program. Again, we have app.jsx where everything is same which we had done in the previous part. Now let me click on the run, and I need the bash as well. So cd search. Okay, so now it will run. So I will say back because it is asking me to say back. I will say back and click on search. Now you will see all the exercises with the back related to back, where all the GFs and all is mentioned of how to do exercise. So okay, you can see. So these are the top 5 exercises for the back. So you can see all the 5 exercises with the GIF mentioned. So this was this particular video's output. So let me click on submit the program. So as you can see, all the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.